Hello everybody. Guess who? It's Yolanda and I'm back. I have another video. You won't believe this. So I'm stopping, I'm doing lunch now. Guess what I got today? Yeah, you see that? Churches. We're gonna see what time it is, okay? So I'm gonna tell you ahead of time what I ordered. Because you guys remember when I did that Popeyes, they messed me up, right? They gave me somebody else's order. I waited long for this one too. But check this out. I didn't wait 30 minutes. So, we're going to see. Let's say grace. Amen. Okay, so, got napkins. I'm going to tell you what I ordered. I ordered 2 drumsticks and some okra. So, we're going to see. Got a pepper. Peter Pipe picked a pepper. I have no idea why I have a spoon. I'm starting to get a little bit nervous. Okay. There's the chicken. Let's see what we have inside here. Let's open the bag up. Oh my. Oh my. Look what we have there. So, as you can see, I got 1 drumstick, 2 drumsticks, 3, but I only ordered 2. I have a biscuit. Okay, hey, it's my birthday. And some okra. Good. So, because I'm here in the truck, I can't really set up. So I'm going to try to set up the best way I can so you guys can see it. These peppers. Oh, wait. Sweeties, all that juice on there. You guys probably can't see because I'm sitting low. I didn't feel like doing set. As you can see, I'm squeezing it on there. Let me get a napkin. Oh, and I got the drink. I love these. You can see what it is. These are so good. They're a lot of sugar, but they're really good. And of course, I have some good old honey. I love honey on my chicken. So I put some honey on there. Okay. And hot sauce. And bam, there you go. So I'm going to eat something with you guys real quick. So let's see how this is. Churches. See? Churches. You guys can see. I'm going to try to hold it up. And it tastes good because I put honey on there. See? I'm trying to see if you can see it. I guess you can see it. I'm trying to get a good angle, but it's kind of hard. Then I got some okra. Biscuit. I was hungry. I don't know about the biscuit. But the chicken, what they said, the chicken is fired up. Okay. The chicken is delicious. I haven't had churches in a while. I had that Popeyes. Delicious. Churches. I should have got me a ginger ale for the grease. But I'm going to eat this bad boy today because I'm hungry. And it is almost 4:30 where I'm at. Central time zone. So I'm just going to have lunch with you. I'm going to try to not make this video too long. I don't know what type of specials churches have. Now, every state is different. So, don't believe nothing that I tell you. Then a pepper. How would you guys rate Church's chicken versus Popeyes? Tell me. So, I asked for a spicy one and a regular one. And it's spicy. Oh my, it's spicy. I normally get the wings, but they had a sign on the door. It was a lot cheaper than that other chicken that I got. And at least they didn't mess my order up. And then she gave me an extra drumstick because it was only supposed to be 2 drumsticks of pepper. So, what are you guys having for lunch today? You hungry? What they say, you eat anything? Not true, but you'll mess with something that you normally don't mess with. This is my second time having chicken in a couple of weeks. So, it's good. It's spicy though. I didn't know it was this spicy. It's hidden. The only thing I could say they could have kept, let me bite it in. The top of the biscuit is good. It's kind of got like a sweet, like they put some honey or something in there. But it's good. And of course I love my okra. You know, I love okra. They say you shouldn't have it fried. But here, guess what? Happy Monday, y'all. Happy Monday. So I'm gonna eat this other drumstick. Churches, y'all. I can't believe church is hidden like that. In the comments, please tell me, Churches or Popeyes? Or both? Right now, the experience that I had with Popeyes, I don't know what they call themselves doing. I'm gonna say Churches. Churches, baby. These okras. I love this okra. Delicious. But it's biscuit. Look at it. I know about that one. Still eat my chicken. It's good because I'm hungry. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. My mukbang. Please watch. Share. See how good my churches is. Take another bite. delicious. I scarfed that down. That's how hungry I was, okay? What they say? Well, I got some food now. Ooh. And I still have to drive. But if I get sleep, I'm just gonna pull over and go to sleep. That's the good part about driving a truck. When you're sleeping, find the nearest truck stop or the nearest rest stop, baby, and you pull that bad boy over. You go back there and go to sleep. Cause actually I was hungry, you know. I could have had 4 of these with no problem. I'm glad she did give me an extra one because I was a tad bit hungry. Didn't realize how hungry I was. But thank you guys. These are so good. Delicious. Cheers. So, Lord have mercy. I have gotten full. Do you hear me? Woo, I think I ate too fast. Really need to let this digest. And then once I let it digest, take me a nap. So, I see you watching me. Okay. So, that's basically it. See? I just got 2 lemons and this half of this biscuit here. Well, wait. Then I have some more okra. What they say, you do the happy dance when you eat something good. Yeah, if you're happy and you know it's happy dance. These okras are lit. They are the bomb. Damn. That's it. I love them. I'm gonna have to go there and give me some more chicken, baby. I'm full, but then I'm still hungry. I don't know. No, I'm just being greedy. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate you guys stopping, having churches, chicken lunch with me. Happy Monday. In case anybody didn't tell you, guess who love? Now let me stop playing with y'all. I feel good because I got some food in my stomach because I haven't had nothing to eat since yesterday. Have a good one. Enjoy it. Hope to see you next time I have lunch. I don't know if it's going to be churches. Very rare you run across the churches that you can get a big truck in. So I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to let you see. Hold on before I sign off. Bam. See that sign over there? It says Church's Chicken. That's where I stopped and got me some chicken. All right. Bam. At the truck stop. Alrighty. That's how I roll. Then I'm about to head on out. But again, thank you. I was so happy to stop here. I don't hardly come across this area too often. And being able to stop here and get me some chicken. Some churches. Now, I come across a lot of Popeyes. But baby, churches, there you go. That's the way we roll. So I just want you guys to see. Have a great day. Thanks for watching me and thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.